Before you invest in Odoo CRM, stop for a second, because most people assume it's just another CRM with standard sales and contact management. The surprising truth is that Odoo CRM is part of a full business suite, and its power comes from integration with inventory, accounting, e-commerce, and more. Odoo CRM lets you manage leads, track opportunities, automate workflows, and analyze your sales pipeline all from one platform. You won't believe what happens next when businesses realize they can connect their CRM directly to other operations like invoicing and order tracking. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They assume CRM is only about contacts. Odoo is more than a CRM, it's a full ERP enterprise resource planning solution. This means you can automate processes across multiple departments, making your business more efficient. Getting started involves creating an Odoo account, setting up your sales team, and importing contacts. You can customize pipelines, define stages, and assign leads automatically. The platform includes email integration, activity tracking, and real-time reporting. The upside is a matched integration. If your business uses multiple Odoo apps, the CRM connects seamlessly, providing a single view of customer interactions, sales, and operational metrics. Automation reduces manual work and helps sales teams focus on closing deals. The downside is complexity. Odoo CRM has a learning curve, especially if you are using other modules. Customization and initial setup can take time, and smaller teams may find some features overwhelming. Additionally, the pricing can increase if you add multiple apps. The surprising truth about Odoo CRM is that it's perfect for businesses looking to unify their operations, not just track leads. For companies needing an all-in-one platform, Odoo can be a game changer, but for simple CRM needs, it may feel overbuilt. If this honest review helped you understand Odoo CRM, subscribe for more reviews of business tools and productivity software.